Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Here's a new feature for you with macOS Sonoma, or at least it's new to me. I've never used it before. It's collaboration. You can collaborate with others on any of your documents, notes, or free-form boards. I'm going to show you how to do it in a note. It's the same whether you're in a document or a free-form board, but I'm going to show you in a note because I never use I never use free-form boards. So top right corner of your document or your note, you have a share button. So you click share and then you choose collaborate or send a copy. Okay, collaborate would allow them to collaborate on it, to edit things, to add things. You can give them certain settings. Only invited people can have access, and permission levels. You can let them view it only, or they can make changes. So if you want someone to collaborate with you, do that. You can send it to them through text message if they're on a cell phone, or sorry, if they're on an Apple device, or you can send it to them by an invitation link, or you can airdrop it, or you can mail it. But here you go. That just sent that to my daughter, and now my daughter, so let me show you what I'm seeing over here. I'm seeing the text is ready to go. I click enter and send it just like I would, and she's now been invited on her device. She can now open that up and view and collaborate on this note that I created for my team. So hopefully that's helpful. Give us a subscribe and a like, and if this didn't answer your question or you have other questions, search my channel, and if you don't find what you're looking for, leave a comment. I promise to make a follow-up video to your question.